हेलो भाई लोग, कैसे हो आप लोग। स्वागत है आप सभी का गौरव झा फिटनेस में। तो भाई लोग, आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है हमारे बिगिनर भाई के लिए है, जो मेरे बिगिनर भाई घर पे एप्स बनाना चाहते हैं, जिनको कि एप्स का टेक्निक पता नहीं है कि कौन सा एक्सरसाइज करें और जिससे कि हमारा एप्स पे फ़र्क पड़े, इधर एब्डोमिनल एरिया को हम इंगेज करें और अपने 6 पैक एप्स को अच्छे तरीके से निकालें। तो आपको मैं इस वीडियो में बताने वाला हूँ 6 मिनट का वर्कआउट, बहुत ही बिगिनर लेवल का वर्कआउट। हमारा इसमें होगा 3 एक्सरसाइज, तीनों एक्सरसाइज आपका 2-2 सेट लगाना है आपको। बहुत बेसिक एक्सरसाइज, मॉर्निंग में आप ये वर्कआउट करो, इसका 3-4 सेट लगाओ। आपका बिगिनिंग लेवल पे, स्टार्टिंग लेवल में बहुत अच्छा आपके एप्स से फर्क पड़ेगा, एप्स अच्छा बन के आएगा। तो फॉलो करो भाई। कुछ और क्वेरी हो तो इंस्टा पे पूछना। गौरव झा फिटनेस ग्राम तो इंस्टाग्राम है। 6 मिनट का परफेक्ट वर्कआउट एप्स के लिए। स्टार्ट करते हैं।
There's too much that's going on, I don't know what to do. Paralyzed by options in this world, can't pick and choose. Yeah, everybody's life is on display, including you. Yeah, I feel every day is just the same, stuck in a loop. I need some variety, I'm sick of this anxiety, I'm sick of this society. They make us feel a rivalry, compare ourselves to others, but we all got different mothers. We were raised in different structures, so we're different, it's no wonder, yeah. I just want a great life, something where I feel like I just didn't waste time, something I look back and say that was a great time. Cause man, I just hate when the years pass by the wayside. I'm so lost inside, and I need a little time to find who I am in this life. I will find a way to feel alive. I'm so lost inside. You better watch out now, I figured something out, what this whole life's about, yeah. It's not the goal, it's the journey, wasted emotion is worry. I'll stop being in a hurry, and I'll just enjoy what I'm doing, keep pushing forward and moving, appreciate the improvement, yeah. I was so stuck on a goal, was losing sight of my soul. Need to enjoy getting old and be so present. I don't know if there's a heaven, but I know I wanna get in. And sometimes I feel a presence, energy in a direction, so I follow intuition. It took me to a musician, now I'm on a different mission, to help others with afflictions. Now I'm not lost inside, I finally have seemed to find who I am in this life, and I found a way to feel alive. I'm not lost inside, I finally have seemed to find who I am in this life, and I found a way to feel alive. Feel alive.
It's too late now, I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb, we would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We'd hook up in my car, driving so far, play you guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, or when it's gone, took you to prom. come. Dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now. I remember everything and how careless we got. It's too late now. I remember you and me and how careless we.
It's too late now, I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey